Good morning, guys. I slept, I ate, I'm feeling a little bit better. If you saw my video yesterday, I was kind of freaking out. Obviously, that crypto tax law is going into effect, and I think that that's why we're seeing this kind of little mini dump in the market. So we're at a $2.65 trillion market cap, down 5.74% over the last day. Bitcoin down 5%, Ethereum down about 6%. But what we're seeing on all these charts is a little bit of a bounce back, and that's exactly what we want to see. If Bitcoin would have gone down to say 54,000, then we might be in some like pretty scary sell-off territory. But this seems like it might actually just be like a healthy correction. Maybe some sentiment and some trust in the market kind of disappeared with that crypto tax law, but we should have been expecting it. We knew that this was going to happen. It's been in the works for a while. And then I did just want to talk about the KuCoin crypto trading bot. So what I did yesterday was I bought the dip with some of the money that I moved around from that crypto trading bot. If you guys have been following that, I said I was going to leave it for 7 days, but we're letting it ride. I moved some money around. I'm still getting wrecked on this ISPO link on the KuCoin crypto trading bot, but there is a lot of green in my account right now. Got some mana futures, some sandbox, so it's nice to see some green in my account. Obviously no crazy gains. I definitely have it spread out and diversified because I learned my lesson. If you followed my KuCoin crypto trading bot situation from the first couple of videos, I only had it split between 3 different assets, and I had to sell at a loss. I'm still waiting to sell at a loss basically for this ISPO link. I'm hoping that it'll have a bounce back and I won't actually need to do that, but I bought it at 0.014, so I have a little ways to go before I'm back in the green. I don't know if that's going to happen. I'm just waiting for a good exit point. Obviously, I don't want to lose $100, which is what it was down to last night. I was down like negative $110 or something, which is just super upsetting to see. Nobody wants to see that. But it is having a little bit of a bounce back, so that's good. What we like to see is, this little tick up on all these charts. We're bouncing, so I don't think we're in complete and total 2017 2018 sell-off territory. Things were looking a little doomy and gloomy yesterday. I was definitely freaking out. I needed a warm hug. I slept, I ate, I cuddled my doggy, and I'm feeling a lot more positive today. So we're pretty much just hanging out in this 60,000 area. We did hit 58,000 over the last 24 hours. We're still up near pretty much the year's high, so there is room to go down, but there's also room to rocket up, and this is kind of what happens when Bitcoin takes off. We'll see like a pretty big correction. Let me go to the 1-day chart. We'll see a pretty gnarly correction, boom, and then we'll take off, and then correction, and then we'll take off, and then woo, big correction, bounce, and then we take off again. So, we're hanging out in this $60,000 area right now. We could see people seeing this as a buying opportunity, and then things start to take off toward the upside. And obviously that's what I'm hoping for along with you guys. But it's looking a little better today. It's not looking quite as detrimental as it did yesterday. SHIB down 8% today. Yesterday it was looking a little bit better than it is right now. Could be a good buying opportunity if you've been waiting to get into SHIB and you didn't want to buy at all-time highs. This could be a good buying opportunity for you. Let's see, Polygon down 7%. Here's Decentraland. So mana is up. Actually, not by much, but it's up. It's beating the market basically right now. So that's a good sign. If you hold some mana, that was a good play for you, especially if you bought in at a good price. Sandbox also up as well. I got into this one yesterday at a pretty good price. I bought the dip, and I am proud of myself for that one. Yesterday I was kind of feeling the FUD and just feeling a little worked up and freaked out. If you saw my video, then you know what I'm talking about. Feeling a lot more positive today. I just wanted to hop on here and update you guys, give you guys that warm hug, and let you know that this could be a good buying opportunity. This could be our chance to add to our positions at a better price than what we've been seeing recently. It's a healthy correction. We need these things to happen. And obviously we want all the money in the world to pour into the global crypto market, but these things take time. It takes time to build trust, and obviously there's a lot of news going around, not just in America, but in the world. There's the China Evergrande situation going on. There's just a lot going on in the world economy right now, so I think things are a little bit on shaky ground just because there's so much regulation going on, money being printed. Obviously there's some economics things happening, like like the United States inflation rate and stuff like that. So, and then obviously that crypto tax. So there's just a lot going on. Keep those things in mind. If you are thinking about adding to your positions here, or even yesterday would have been a good time. It does seem like we are having a little bounce. I am glad that I added to some of my positions, but I am still sitting on quite a bit of crypto. I'm thinking that if we see a new all-time high within the next month or two, I will probably take some of my money off the table. That didn't change from yesterday. That still stands. So just let me know what your strategy is. I'm really interested to hear what you guys are buying during this dip. If you're buying anything, if you're holding, if you're paper handing it out and you just want to sell all your bags and this is scaring you, let me know. I want to know what other people are doing. Not financial advice. I'm just trying to figure it out like you guys, and I just want to share my knowledge and talk to you guys about what's going on today and just in the crypto market in general. I'm a geek for this stuff. I absolutely love it. I have a degree in marketing, and then my master's degree is in international business. I've taken plenty of finance classes, so I'm not a total baseless dweeb. I do know how to do some technical analysis. I was day trading back in college, and I've been decently successful. I'm by no means a millionaire. I'm right there along with most of you, just trying to make my little buck off of this crazy bull market. But so this is how the 4-hour chart's looking. So we're hanging out kind of in between this $66,000 to $60,000 level, and we pretty much rejected the 58,000 support, bounced back off of it. So that's obviously great to see. Down here we hit 58, and then we bounced back to 60. So we're just kind of hanging out in between these two Fibonacci lines. And so hopefully, you know, it might not happen today or tomorrow, but hopefully here soon we'll start to trend back upwards towards 69, and then maybe even higher. These things happen usually right before a big pump, and we're all just trying to be intelligent investors. We're trying to put our money where our mouth is, and when things are scary, when people are running out of the building, running out of the burning building, that's when we run in and save the day and buy the dip and sell when it's high, right? So it just depends on how you look at the market. Either this is super scary. I was definitely freaking out a little bit yesterday, but today I'm feeling more confident. I'm feeling better. I'm really happy that we rejected that 58,000 support and bounced right back. People saw that as a buying opportunity. That's a good thing. That means that this could act as like a pretty solid support level from here on out, you know, over these next couple weeks. So that will be seen. Obviously, these Bollinger Bands don't look amazing. This isn't the most inspiring chart ever to look at right now, but I'm feeling better today. I think you guys should too. If you bought the dip yesterday, congratulations. And just be mindful. I will be watching this market like a hawk. I will continue to update you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.